What if I told you that one of the biggest retirement regrets isn't about saving too little, but about not spending enough on the right things before retiring? A few years ago, I was on a call with a client, let's call her Sue, and she said something that stayed with me. She told me, Hardy, I wished I saved a bit less and spent a bit more before I retired. Now, that caught me off guard because, let's be honest, most financial advisors are constantly telling their clients to save more, cut expenses, and delay gratification. But Sue wasn't being reckless, she was being brutally honest. What she meant was she wished she'd been more proactive about improving her quality of life before retiring, while she still had the income, energy, and financial flexibility. And after building hundreds of retirement plans for South African retirees over the last 15 years, I can tell you she's not alone. Many retirees look back and say, I wished I had done this earlier, before the fear kicked in, before the paycheck stopped, and before life slowed down. So today, I want to share with you the 5 smartest purchases we see South Africans are glad they made before they retired, and why those purchases aren't just practical, they're psychologically powerful. Hi, I'm Hardy Swart, a certified financial planner and a director at Family Wealth Custodians. Over the past 15 years, I've helped thousands of South Africans retire with more confidence, clarity, and purpose through retirement strategies that actually work in our unique South African environment. At Family Wealth, we have a dream to help as many South Africans as we possibly can retire with peace of mind through educational content like this. If you're preparing for retirement or you care about someone who is, please hit the subscribe button, join our Family Wealth community, and share this video with someone who needs it. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. It doesn't replace personal financial advice. Always speak to a certified financial planner before you make any big financial decisions. Okay, so let's jump into the 5 purchases to make before retirement. First of all, your medical and dental work. Use your benefits while you still can. One of the most underrated pre-retirement investments you can make is getting all your medical and dental work done. We've seen clients who regret not using the final years of their income and medical aid to sort out a knee or hip replacement, eye surgeries like cataracts or LASIK, or major dental procedures, crowns, implants, or bridges. Hearing aids can also be a great value getting it before retirement, and things like glasses, and long overdue health screenings. Here in South Africa, most corporate medical aids offer more generous benefits while you're still working. After retirement, your contributions go up and you often have to downgrade your plan to keep costs under control. So, our advice is simple. Use those benefits while you have them. Once your salary stops, those procedures will feel a lot more expensive and harder to justify. Number 2, invest in your home security and backup power. This is something totally unique to South Africa, but one of the smartest and often overlooked pre-retirement investment is making your home safe and energy resilient before the paychecks stop. Once you're living off savings, big ticket upgrades become psychologically harder to justify, even when they're necessary. And in South Africa, load shedding and security risks are very real factors that can disrupt your comfort, independence, and peace of mind in retirement. That's why we recommend using your final working years to invest in things like smart security systems with remote access, CCTV cameras for travel and peace of mind, and solar panels or inverters to manage load shedding effectively. You can also look at something like electric fencing and gate motor upgrades, or UPS devices to power your Wi-Fi, security, or medical equipment. These upgrades don't just make financial sense, they protect your lifestyle and reduce the chance of expensive, reactive spending later on. And if you ever plan to sell or rent out your property, they also boost your home's long-term value. So before you retire, make sure your home is working for you, not against you. Number 3, big home repairs. Do them while you still can. From geysers to gutters, we all have those one-day home maintenance items we keep putting off. But in retirement, every big expense starts to feel like a threat to your financial security. That's why we often advise clients, tackle major repairs before you retire. These include things like roof replacement, new geyser or plumbing overhaul, kitchen or bathroom renovation, or fixing rising damp or structural issues. Not only will this save you from nasty surprises later, but you'll also get to enjoy those improvements while you're still active and spending more time at home. Number 4, a reliable, paid-off vehicle. Here's what we've seen over and over again. Clients who go into retirement with a paid-off, reliable vehicle worry a lot less. Why? Because unexpected car expenses, breakdowns, new tires, servicing can wreak havoc on a fixed retirement budget. So whether it's a Toyota Fortuner, a Hilux, or even a modest hatchback, buy a vehicle that won't let you down, and ideally get it paid off before your last paycheck. This is one of the few times that we actually encourage clients to consider a newer model, because the peace of mind and reduced maintenance costs are often worth it. Number 5, fund your passion project or side hustle setup. Many South Africans enter retirement with the hope of finally doing what they love, not necessarily for money, but for purpose, joy, and sometimes a little extra income. But here's the key. Before your income stops, use the financial flexibility you still have to set yourself up for success. Whether it's buying woodworking tools, gardening gear or craft supplies, investing in quality photography or music equipment, paying for online course, mentorship or certification, launching a basic website or getting a custom logo, or setting up a home studio, workshop, or even a small coffee trailer, we've seen clients turn these into thriving side businesses or deeply fulfilling hobbies that give them structure and joy at retirement. By investing early, you remove barriers and enter retirement with momentum, not hesitation. Here's what most people don't realize. Retirement isn't just about your bank balance, it's about your mindset. The shift from earning to drawing down your savings can trigger deep-seated fears, even if you've saved enough. Many of our clients are what we call reluctant spenders. They've worked hard, saved well, lived below their means, and now they struggle to enjoy their wealth. And I've spoken to way too many people who just want to keep putting things off into the future, thinking that if they wait a little longer, they finally might feel more secure. But here's the problem. That reptilian brain, that part of our mind that's wired for survival, just keeps whispering, maybe it's not going to be okay. Maybe you'll run out, or maybe you should wait just a little longer. And so you keep on putting things off and putting them off again until one day you wake up and realize you do have enough money, but you no longer have the mobility, the energy, or even the desire to do the things that you dreamed about for years. Retirement planning isn't just about saving money. It's about preparing yourself emotionally, mentally, and financially to enjoy the next stage of your life. That's why the purchase we've talked about in this video are so important. They don't just make financial sense. They help you to shift from fear to freedom. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's that one thing that you're glad you spent money on before retiring? Or, if you're close to retirement, what are you planning to invest in before your last paycheck? Drop it in the comments. And if you'd like to receive weekly videos, articles, and market updates, all focused on helping South Africans retire with confidence, then join our retirement community. The link is in the description below. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if it helped you. It really helps support the work we're doing to empower South African retirees. I'm Hardy Swart. This is Family Wealth. Thank you for watching, and keep investing into your future. See you next time.